In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make split screen effect in DaVinci Resolve. By the end, you'll know how to place multiple clips on screen at once using simple cropping and positioning tools, and you'll have a clean, professional split screen layout. First, open the DaVinci Resolve app and make sure you're in the edit page. This is where the timeline, viewer, and key controls for this technique live. If you don't see the timeline or the viewer, expand those panels so you can clearly monitor your changes as you go. Next, bring the clips you want to display into your timeline and stack them on top of each other on separate video tracks. Think of it like layers. The top track is the clip you'll see first, and anything you cut away from it will reveal the clips underneath. If your clips need to play in sync, line them up so their starting points match. This makes it easier to create symmetrical splits without drifting visuals. Select the top clip, then open the inspector. You'll find it on the right side of the edit page. Make sure you're on the video tab so you can access the visual controls for that clip. Scroll down to the cropping section. Here, adjust crop left, right, top, and bottom to trim away parts of the top clip. As you crop, you'll see the clip beneath appear in those areas. For a simple left-right split, crop the left or right edge of the top clip by roughly half the frame width. For a top-bottom split, crop from the top or bottom. Keep an eye on your viewer and your numbers. Matching values helps you keep things even. If you notice any soft edges you don't want, reduce crop softness for a crisp boundary. With the top clip still selected, go to Transform and adjust position X or Y to nudge the cropped video into the exact spot you want. Use X for left-right adjustments and Y for up-down. Small precise changes help align edges cleanly, and watching the viewer at 100% zoom can make alignment easier to judge. Now repeat the same process for the clips on the lower tracks. Select the next clip, open the inspector, crop the sides you need, and adjust position X or Y until it fits neatly beside or above the others. Continue until the entire screen is filled with no gaps or unintended overlaps. Play back a few seconds to check for clean edges and consistent spacing. When everything looks balanced, you're done. Save your project and you've created a polished split screen in DaVinci Resolve.